Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to deactivate your Facebook account. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings again. And after this you can just simply tap on the blue line that is see more in account centers. And here you can just simply now scroll down, and in the account settings section you can now tap on personal details. Tap on it. And here you can just simply now tap on account ownership and control, and you can just simply tap on deactivation or deletion. You can just simply select the Facebook page or deactivate your Facebook account, and this is the way you can deactivate your Facebook account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.